Hello and welcome back to my classroom. My name is Miss Silva and I am so excited to learn with you today. In this lesson, we will learn about the word family and come on, let's get started. Now that we know what sound each letter makes, we can start combining the letters to make words. When we combine the letter A with the letter N, it makes a N sound. Let's sound out some words that end with an. Ra-e-n, ra-e-n, ran. Ma-e-n, ma-e-n, man. Do you remember what sound the letter V makes? The letter V makes a V sound. So let's sound out this word. Va-e-n, va-e-n, van. Ka-e-n, ka-e-n, can. You're getting a hang of this. Come on, let's keep trying. Fa-e-n, fa-e-n, fan. Pa-e-n, pa-e-n, pan. Let's read a short story together. Keep a lookout for all of the "and" words. The story is called Dan Ran. Dan ran. Dan ran to a man. Dan ran to a can. Dan ran to a van. Dan ran. Now, let's take a look at the "and" words one more time. But this time, I would like you to sound them out. Well done! That spells ran. Man. Dan. Great job! That spells van. Can. You are doing an excellent job. Come on, let's keep going. Fan. That's right. P-A-N spells pan. You did so well. You get a sticker. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Let's check for understanding. By the end of this lesson, I know the sound that "and" words make. I can sound out and read the words that end with "an."